A moment of truth, right? Oh man, yeah, I'm feeling really hurt right now. Yeah, but you know what? That's part of crafting. Yeah, I can see it shifted. I can already see it through the paper. It shifted. Yeah, but you know what? That's part of the process. Yeah, it did. It shifted. Really bad. Yeah. Really, really bad. Yes, it did. You see, this is where my problem came from, right over here. But my first press came up super though. So maybe I should keep doing it on a smaller piece until I can get me a bigger heat press. But my colors actually came out really.
Guys, I'm excited. I'm just so excited. As you saw in the beginning of this video, my work has just been messing up. But giving this a try, I'm gonna go with it for now until I can afford a bigger heat press, because it's affordable. It's allowing me to do larger designs. I don't have to worry about where else to set it up, and it heats up pretty quickly. So why not? It has its own flaws and coins, but I prefer going through that for now and keep business going. Then, especially now, it's approaching winter. It's cold. It's time when people make blankets, and I love large designs for my blankets. And so, yeah, I prefer going with this for now because I can afford to buy a bigger heat press like I need right now to do the sizes that I can do. So if I'm going to keep dabbing this for a couple of minutes, I prefer going through that than messing up my work all the time or most of the time. So that's a 13 by 19 design, which is the size of my sublimation printer. I'm using a Epson 15,000, and so my designs are usually 13 by 19, and I was really having trouble with that, as you saw in the beginning with my 15 by 15 heat press. Shifting was just a big thing. Every now and then I would have my work messed up because taking it out to just shift it and do second press or third press, it was just a problem. But now, even though I have to do this on the floor, I don't think I have all that kind of problem with it. I prefer doing this for now until I can raise enough money to get me the size of heat press that I need. So I just bought it. I bought it like I think maybe a week ago, and I've been testing it out. It's doing pretty good for now. I know people who have had it before. Hopefully some people can let me know what's going on with theirs. But this is actually my first time getting the Easy Press, and this, like I said, is the 12 by 10. I have the mini press, which I used to do really smaller designs like the monogram and on shoes and slippers. That's what I use it for, and that was the only Cricut brand that I had. Someone told me about trying this, and I decided to give it a shot. So let me show you what I've been doing with it, and you can decide whether it's best for you. But for me, I'll tell you right now, it's the best one that I can afford right now to go with and keep my business going, instead of waiting until I can raise money to buy me or maybe 16 by 20 or whatever larger size I'm gonna need. For now, I can do this. I can I'm even going to be trying in the next or maybe upcoming videos. I will be showing fold blankets design, like just sublimation on the fold blankets, or maybe on the entire robes. I'll be trying so you can see. So just keep tuned. Let's keep trying it out and see what we can do and what we cannot do with it, and how good or how bad it's going to be. There are a couple of things that I've noticed over the period, like the week since I've had it, and I think I listed those in the video too. Okay, like you see right over there, I have to mount that pressure myself. So you're gonna have to do that. Unlike on the clamp heat press, you're just screwing and unscrewing to release or increase your tension, to decrease or increase your tension, your pressure. But here you have to apply the pressure yourself. So that's why you see me on my knees on the floor, because I have to mount that pressure on the heat press. It's not giving any pressure of its own, so you have to do that. That's one of the issues that I have with it. But I mean, it's not anything big for me, because I better do that right now than having messed up my work or going out of business for now. And like you see, I'm doing it, just dabbing it over and over, moving from one spot to another. That was the second thing I have to say. You gotta do multiple presses because you want a bigger design. And I mean, come to think about it, even with the larger heat press, if I'm doing a full blanket, I have to do multiple pressing. So why can't I just do the same here? So I mean, that's not much of a con for me. My biggest concern is just the pressure issue, because you can never be sure of how much pressure you really have, whether it's equal pressure all around, because it's just manual. So you never know how much pressure you're putting on it at the time, or whether you've put in enough pressure on every side. So yeah, so far that was all that I saw for now. My designs are coming up pretty good, because I don't know, maybe I'm just mounting enough pressure everywhere, so it's coming up pretty good for now. And so I'm just so excited about it, to be able to do my large designs for $169. I mean, it's, for me, it's a win right now. So I will continue to go with it until I can raise me enough money to buy me a bigger heat press. And I got a little ink in my robe, as you can see. I use A$AP paper, so yeah. And I also forgot to lay papers under there before ironing. Right now I'm just folding over to do my monogram. I don't think I included that part in this video, but I'm just about to do my monogram. And the monogram, I do them with my mini press. That's why I bought the mini press, because I use it for monogram and shoes and other really small pressing. I don't have to turn on the big heat press. So I was using the mini press alongside my 15 by 15 heat press. But I mean, and as you can see, that's our design. We got a fold back 13 by 19, no shifting. It came up pretty bright, and I am just excited about it. I mean, this video is not sponsored. I must make it clear, it's not sponsored. I'm just sharing my excitement with you guys, so you'll be able to know what you can do if you have one. I mean, or you intending to get into something like that.